Okay, this video is about the dishwasher in the kitchen. So I put the tab in right there, and you close it by sliding this over and pushing down. If you need it to reopen, there's a blue tab right there which you can lift and it opens it. Otherwise, close and push down. And then what I do is I turn it on and I put it on at 45 degrees. Especially if there's plastic in there, I don't want it too hot, and let it run.